Have you ever wondered how people make money online in Nigeria? As a Nigerian, the internet is the fastest place to become successful. So, welcome to Build With Pablo. In this channel, we'll be teaching you how you can make money online in different ways. So, actually, this is our fourth video. Kindly subscribe to this channel to get more of this updates. Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make money online. 5 ways without scam, without fake promises, and so on like that. Now, the first one right here is freelancing. The first way is freelancing actually. Freelancing is a type of business that you can render online, where you sell skills that you know, something that you know, you sell it to people, to who needs it in the right platform. So freelancing is a way that maybe you acquire skills, you learn the skills, you know the skills, you practice it, then sell it to those who need it. Actually, this is just an introduction video. I'll be going deep into these skills in our next video. Actually, the next video will be about freelancing. So kindly hit the subscribe button to stay updated and stay tuned about our next video. So the second one right here. Now, before we proceed, we have different skills in freelancing. We have the graphic design, video editing, website design, we have social media management, and so on of that. We'll dive in deeper into those skills in our next video. Now, let's go to the second one. The method 2 is content creation. Actually, have you ever wondered how those big celebs like McKinsey, Bridgetta, and OG how they make their money online? They are content creators. They grew from content creation into acting. So, content creating, do you think you need to have millions before getting paid on social media? No, that's a very good lie. So, as a content creator, you just create your content to entertain, to educate, to inform, to tell a story about something. Then you earn from it. That's content creation. Your content may be in form of video, sometimes it may be in form of picture, sometimes it may be in form of writing. Actually, I'll go deeper into this in our next videos. So, you can post your content on stuff like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, then on Twitter also. So, in our next video, I'm going to go deeper into this. So, you earn from YouTube ad sponsorship. You see that most content creators, they like maybe they market a good or market a brand. That's sponsors. Affiliate marketing. So many people think you need millions of followers before you can start getting paid on social media. That's a lie. Now the third method is affiliate marketing. That's the third one. Affiliate marketing. Now you sell that affiliate marketing, you sell another person's products, then you get paid. It's an aspect where you sell another one's product, then you get paid. And in some aspect, you usually get paid more than the owner of the product. You might sell ebooks, you might sell a product for someone, maybe an e-commerce product, and sort of that. You sell it to people using your own special link, whereby you generate a special link for you that people coming through that your link, you get paid. Maybe sometimes 80% of that good they give it to you, that brand give it to you. That's affiliate marketing. You get a special link from affiliate marketing. Now I'll go deeper into those methods later in our videos. Kindly hit the subscribe button. Welcome to Build With Pablo. Now the fourth one is selling digital products. This is a means whereby you sell digital products online. You know, we have different type of products. We have the offline products, which are the goods, which are the phones, tablets, wristwatch, and stuff all of that, and even clothes that you sell. But these ones are digital products. We have digital products like ebooks, online courses, templates, design resources, and guides. These are digital products. You sell this product to people who need it through the right platform, like creating a website for it. You sell this product online. These are products that are basically online. For example, if you come skilled at graphic design, you can create templates that other people can buy. You create templates for people that they can buy. Actually, now the last but not the least one is remote job. A remote job, we have different type of job. You can seek job offline, seek job from an office or so, but this one is a remote job. You work from home. Actually, you work those skills that I mentioned, you can actually do it from home. So we have virtual assistant. You can become an assistant online to an office. Customer support, you can render customer support to a business, like maybe the Dangote squad and sort of that. You render those services to them. Conclusion. So those are the 5 real ways that you can sell your digital, that you can earn money online. Those are the 5 ways that you can earn money online. I want you to understand something. The internet is just not a place whereby you just click a link or you click a button then you earn money. In this place you have to be consistent, you have to render value and show your skills to people who need it. You have to be with the right people. So in this internet space you actually earn. You follow this. So kindly subscribe to this channel. Now we are going on a 30-day journey about how to build yourself on freelance. Kindly click the subscribe button. I will see you later in my next video. Build with Pablo.